Today, the Bob Bullock Texas State History Museum is celebrating its 10th birthday, and what a better way than to celebrate than with a view of the Otis elevator globe and a ride on the beautiful Dover elevators. So here we go. Going up to 3. Very nice cab. Let's go to 1. Let's go back up to 2. There goes this elevator. And off to this one. Okay, it's on 4. 3. 2 and 1.
Okay, under somewhere.
Now on board. We're going up to 2 and 3. Let's now do a cab view. And back to 1. Beautiful sounding bell. And down we go. And there it goes. And that's it. Happy 10th birthday. From 2001 to 2011. Happy 10th birthday, Bob Bullock Museum. And that's it.